Hi, this is Arpin Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn T-Box automation tool run Selenium Scripts module. So basically it's by default present in your standard subset. Before that, I want to show you this is my Selenium script which is in the form of .jar file and this is .dll file. So basically it supports two extension which is basically .jar and .dll. So basically it is present in this standard subset beneath T-Box automation tool Selenium. Here is your module run Selenium scripts. So this is my test case where I'm running the executable Selenium test.jar and this is my report directory. So it also create a report out of it. So how we can achieve this? So I quickly run this. So in the same path it will generate one report file. So as you can see, it creates a report file here and my test case is passed now. So we quickly look at the report file. So this is my report file. So it include the test, errors, failures, skipped and source rate. So this type of report is generated through this module also. So this is how you can achieve your Selenium scripts run with Tosca. So hope you like the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.